Ria loves her cat because Ria thinks Ria's cat is cute. What do you think? Is this sentence nice to read? We are repeating the same word Ria so many times. This is making the sentence boring, right? Instead of that, if we say Ria loves her cat because she thinks her cat is cute. What do you think? Which one is better? The first one or the second one? Second one, right? She, her, these are pronouns. Pronouns are the words that take place of nouns. In our previous video, we have learned everything about nouns. If you have not watched that video, kindly watch that. We use pronouns when we don't know someone's name. We can also use them to avoid repeating the nouns that they refer to. My sister loves painting. My sister makes beautiful pictures. What can we use in place of my sister? She makes beautiful picture. She is a pronoun. This is my dog. My dog loves to play with my dog's ball. Oh my God, it is so boring. Instead of that, we can say he loves to play with his ball. He, his are pronouns. Meet my grandparents. My grandparents live in another city. What can we say instead of this? They live in another city. Can you identify the pronoun? Yes, very good. This is my friend Ria. She is very good at cooking. Can you identify the pronoun? These are my new books. They are very interesting. This cake is very soft. It melts in your mouth. Can you identify the pronoun?